lesson that we might do after we finish our circle time routine. So today we're going to use the 10 frames, and we're going to do some dice work, and we're going to do some addition, and we're going to figure out some odds and evens. And so then you can do it at home, because Miss Ellen and Miss Margo are sending you a big envelope with some work to do, some sentences, and writing your first and your last name, and some 10 frames. So you can do all those things at home, but we thought we'd show you the kind of things you can do. So first thing we can do is let's do some, would you like to roll the dice? And
I
then we'll
would
put
love
on
to roll the
10
dice.
frame.
All right, let's see how many I get.
Oh, here, let's put it back so they can see.
Oh, there, can you see it? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, which one would you like, Miss Ellen? Which thing would you like to use for your arms? Lego, some mini erasers, and or some of our glass beads.
Let's use the orange glass beads for this one.
Okay.
Is that
Here we
okay,
go.
everybody?
Yeah,
Yay.
let's put 6 on.
All right, 6. Let
On our
me
10 frame.
see.
This,
yes.
Yeah, so this is your 10 frame. You'll get those at home too.
Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Cool. Now, do you know what? We all know that if we fill up that whole top row, that's 5. We don't even have to count it. So we just can go 5, 6. Easy peasy. And you know what else, Miss Ellen?
What?
How many does it take to get to 10? We can figure this out easy peasy.
Oh, yes. So we've got 5, 6.
Now, how many more do we need to get to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4.
6 and 4 make 10. That's what's so convenient about the 10 frame. All right, let's do something else, Miss Ellen. Let's figure out if this is an odd or an even number.
Okay.
Now, the evens all have twins. They all have a friend. And then we'll see if there's an odd man left out.
Okay.
That's an odd number. All right, can you make those into twins? Let's see.
Can't just put them together. Or...
Yeah, so we can do like this, and then we can see nice and easy. Okay, so he has a friend, there's a twin. Here's a twin, yes, and here's a twin. They all have friends. That means it's an even number. Look at that. And you know what else you can do? I'm going to turn this so you can see it better. If Miss Margo takes another 10 frame, you don't have to use a 10 frame. You can use a pencil or anything, but if I put it right down the middle, this side is the same as this side. They're symmetrical. And that means they're even because you have the same on both sides. So it's nice and easy. It's convenient to figure out odds and evens that way. And if it's symmetrical or the symmetry is there. So you could use a pencil or anything to cut it right down when you set them up like this. So,
well, Miss Margo, what would it look like if we put one more bead on there?
Let's try it. Perfect.
Let's see if that is odd or even. All right, let's put it on here. Oh.
Let's check. First of all, we can check this way. Oh, he has a twin. He has a friend, right? He has a twin. He has a twin. He doesn't have a twin. It's an odd number.
Oh, no.
But, of course, these friends would come play with him.
Of course.
When we lay them out like this, we can see that he doesn't have a twin. And let's check if they're symmetrical. We're going to put this right down the middle. Uh-oh. This side has more on it than this side. Ooh. So it must be an odd number. Miss Ellen, should we line up all the odd numbers? Should we do all the numbers?
Sure.
And we can look and see which ones are odd and even from 1 to 10?
That would be awesome.
We'll line them up, we'll turn this off, and then we'll try and figure out the pattern, okay? So let's turn off, here, I'll turn this off, and then we'll come back on when here we go again. Now, Miss Ellen and Miss Margo set up 10 frames, and we put little tiny pieces of pizza on here.
Pizza.
Pizza erasers.
I would like to have a piece of pizza right now. How about you? Yum.
But let's look at these pizza 10 frames. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's look closely at these. Miss Margo has her pencil. I'm going to divide it, and so we can see if it's symmetrical with the pencil, not the 10 frame this time, because then you guys can see it better. So we can do this. Uh-oh, look at this one, boys and girls. It's not the same on both sides.
Does that pizza have a twin? No.
Nope. It's an odd number. Let's check 2. I'm going to put this over here. Are they the same on both sides? Yes. And there's a twin. So that one's even.
Even.
Let's check number 3. All right, first of all, we'll put this down. Is it the same on both sides? No. And then we can look and say, he has a twin, but he doesn't. So that's an odd number. This number 1 is odd. This is even. This is odd. Is it a pattern? Let's check. Is this the same on both sides?
Yes.
Yeah. And let's see, do they both have twins? They each have a twin. It's an even number. So it goes odd, even, odd, even. What do you think the next one's going to be? Odd. I bet you said odd, and you were right. So let's check. We're going to put this down the middle. Is it the same on both sides? Nope. And let's see if they all have twins. This one has a twin, this one has a twin, but that one is odd guy left out. So it's an odd number. All right, let's check our pattern. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. The next one's going to be even. I bet you got that already. Then we'll just check real quick. We'll put this down the middle. It's the same on both sides. It's symmetrical. And let's check. Do they each have a twin? This one has a twin, this one has a twin, and this one does. Yes, so that's even. All right. Without even doing anything, let's look at this number. This is the number 7. We can tell right away it's odd because there's an odd man out right there. And this side is bigger than this side. We don't even have to do all that. So we know, and we know the pattern already, don't we? Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Pretty cool. And we can always check with our pencil or whatever you have down the middle and see if they're the same, if they're symmetrical. So Miss Margo and Miss Ellen love numbers. That it just works out perfectly. There's no exceptions like sometimes in language arts, but we'll learn them, don't worry. All right, so let's do a few addition problems on the 10 frames.
I like it.
So we will take our pizza. Uh-oh, our pizza is going to get all taken away. Uh-oh, one piece got left over. We'll just move these out of the way so it takes.
And I'm gonna toss it over there. Yay!
Thanks, Miss
All
Ellen.
right.
All right. So now let's do a few addition problems on here.
Okay.
Okay. So Miss Ellen, how about if you? Oh, our dice is behind you.
Oh.
Let's roll the dice.
All right. Let's
And-
see.
Oh, I don't know if you can see.
You
Yeah.
can see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This time I'm going to use Lego pieces.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to put 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
All right.
And let's see what Miss Ellen gets next time.
All right. Let's see.
Perfect.
1, 2, 3.
All right, so
All right, let's see.
we had 4, and Miss Margo's going to put 3 more on. So 4,
1,
2, 3.
3.
So 4 plus 3 is equal to what number? Easy peasy. Oh,
Whoops.
can you see? Maybe you couldn't see that. Anyway, we had 4 plus 3 equals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that already. 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7.
7.
That's so easy, right? Okay, let's do a subtraction problem on there.
Ooh,
Easy peasy.
that is cool.
Okay, Miss Ellen, we'll just start with the 7 that we have
All
here.
right.
And want to roll the dice?
I'm going to roll the dice and see what
how
we're
many
going to do.
Take away.
Take away.
Oh, what'd you get?
Everybody.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so let's take 5 off of here. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have in all now? 1, 2.
2 left.
7 take away 5 is 2. Now you know what's really fun? We can do the same thing on the number line.
Just like we do up there.
Yeah, just like we do up here. So this kind of looks like our number line, but so we'll just use this for this right now. Let's do, we did the problem, we did 4. We had 4 on here. I just want to make sure you can see. Okay, we had 4 plus 3 was what we had first. So we have a 4 on there, and then we're going to add 1, 2, 3 more. So we could do it on the number line too. So we had 4 to start with, and then we added 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 7. It's the same as that. The 10 frame and the number line help us solve word problems. That makes it cinchy pinchy. You know what else you can do? You can draw a picture. You could draw 4 circles, and then you could draw 3 more and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can draw a picture, use the number line, use the 10 frame, and it makes adding cinchy pinchy.
Now remember, Miss Margo,
Yes.
we took away 1, 2,
First.
3, 4, 5.
So we can do subtraction on the number on the 10 frame and the number line, and drawing a picture. All you have to do is, if we do 7, we can do 7 circles and then cross out 5 of them if we do 7 minus 5. All right, so let's check. First we'll do let's do the number line first, because you guys know the number line real easily. So we have 7, and we're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. It came out to be 2. Now, let's try it on here. Okay, so we had 7, and we have to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left?
2,
Easy peasy,
2, 2, 2, 2.
So, we got word problems. You got this, guys. It's great. It's easy because we use our number line, our 10 frame, or we could draw a picture. So
you could do a lot of these at home. And like Miss Margo said, you're going to be getting a big envelope in the mail, and there are 10 frames in there. And you can do it yourself. And you can challenge Mommy.
Mom, yes.
Yes.
You can use your Lego pieces or mini erasers if you have them, but if you don't, no worries. I bet you might have a bag of buttons at home, or you might have cotton balls, or you might have paper clips. You could use those for things to put on the number line, or you could put little tiny miniature animals. Sometimes you guys have those. Anything you want you can use on the 10 frame. It probably has to fit in the 10 frame square, but you could use a lot of things at your house. I bet you'll find a lot of stuff. Okay, and we're all done. And you guys can try that at home.
Okay, try it at home. We want to hear about all the problems that you did, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye. We love you.